finished the phone shopping and we're heading to the car now. Heading home. How was the good food of Mad Mix? Was it good? It was awesome. And it gets dark. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's around lower the volume. Okay, it's around 9 p.m. nearly 9 p.m. and we are heating. Okay, it's nearly 9 p.m. and now we're heading to the Gold Coast. No, we're heading to Cairns first in a few hours. We'll be out on holidays and I'll try to pack up light. But I end up not packing light. Like, I have a lot of gears with me. But we have baggage, so that should be fine. And I'm so excited. So we're gonna be there for 2 weeks with Laura. We're gonna go to Cairns and then Gold Coast. We're gonna pass by a daintree forest and we'll see how it goes. This should be fun. At the same time also, yeah, I'm still out now. I'm gonna do a bit of laundry because yeah, we did the laundry but we need to dry it up. Anyway, it should be good. Time check, it's around 12:30 and we'll be leaving at around 6 a.m. so might as well be there 5 a.m. at the airport. Just had a quick shower, but I still haven't packed my stuff. So we're always ready, but I haven't packed my stuff yet. Need to pack up. Oh, by the way, for this trip I'm having the North Face duffel bag, which is really thick and nice. And I was supposed to bring my bag, but I might pack this little day pack there if it fits. If it fits, I'm bringing the Hexa duffel as to carry on. I don't want to put this in the check-in because yeah, I haven't posted a review, but I'll start using it now. And yeah, wish us luck on the trip. It's gonna be a long one. Yeah. Oh, my hair looks like shit. We had crappy breakfast. It was so crappy. But the good thing is, she gave me the window seat. So I'm near the window. It's warm in Cairns. We just arrived and my face is and there's Laura. I'm waiting for the shuttle bus for the rental and yeah, it's a good thing I can wear my shirt. It's not cold here like in Melbourne. It's really cold. Yep. Okay, for today I'm using the one dirt bag and also the North Face duffel. We like to like the North Face duffel. Laura's sporting the Lower Pro bag. There it is. I'm gonna go Pro Seeker bag. Yep. And where's our shuttle? Okay, they gave us the rental car. They say it's with personality because we're heading to Cape Tribulation. The fuck, they gave us a green car. I don't like the color, but it's cheap. I gotta sell for it now. Yeah.
Cape Tribulation is the highlight, so this is Cape Tribulation up there. Then you have the famous Cape Tribulation Beach, awesome. Cape Tribulation Lookout, Mile Beach, so I would check out all these places. And if you do want to do a bit of freshwater swimming, safe, you can go to Imogen Creek. So when you keep on going north, at the very end of the road, it's become dirt, then it's okay. The road will finish by crossing the river and then you can't go for 40 drives, it's a famous track. So you just park at the end of the road, you'll see other people park, and you can do that little trail and you can swim there easily. And also Munson's is the easiest access swimming hole just off the main road as well. Here you have a few shops, hotels, campgrounds, everything.
Shopping for Asian food. We just booked some trips and yeah, we're shopping for food right now. Where's Laura? So just arrived here in Cairns and yeah, we went to the visitor center, and there was this helpful guy named Alexis. Yeah, he talked about the whole place, gave us good directions, and the thing is, yeah, we were able to book a tour for what you call this, the Great Barrier Reef. There were three options. We choose one which has a sandbar on it because I love sandbars. But yeah, thing is, as soon as we arrive here, our money just spent right away. Good thing we got a good deal for the hotel. But yeah, makes you fine. It's best to buy money. If you have a lot of money, you can spend. Money's for sale here. First impressions, it's so warm in here. It's so warm. It's like the Philippines way back. Anyway, we're not used to this. First meal. Yeah. Nothing spectacular. Just what we have is a Melbourne. But I was supposed to get the what I forgot about. But I just got this. Bats are just hanging around there, and we're in the city. So, how cool or how noisy they are. There are all those bats. I don't know if you can see it, but you should be. I was looking for the RAV4, and I just realized we're renting a car here, and it's green, so far out. There's that green sucker. So we fell asleep. We were so tired. Woke up late. And now we're heading out. It's already nighttime. Goodbye, day one. Here has a pool, but I'm already had for tonight, so no pool for tonight. 10:30, finished with the chemist, and we're heading to Coles for some supplies. First day's done. Up to the next day. Nothing we did. We just slept. That's it. We just slept. Okay, heading inside Coles now. Awesome juice. Yeah, we're here at Coles right now, and we got the supplies. We're gonna go walking in the Esplanade in a few. Hopefully it's good. Check the parking. This thing stays here. Try to push it, it stays there. Pass on thingy, but we can't enter because the door is locked. I don't know. I have to check where it's by to eat, to get tickets to eat there. So nangarimi mura na siya Plantation Bay. Talang na fake na panang dagat. Plantation Bay. And we're here in the lagoon to Cairns, which is in the middle of the CBD, and you can swim there, especially me because it's shallow. I can't swim on deep waters. Boo hoo! Oh, look at those birds. So this is in the middle of the city, not near the water. And you can see the ocean and the shadows. Like I can take a bath anytime I want. And it's shallow. Yeah. So yeah, that's the ocean behind me. And this is the pool called the lagoon. I'm not sure if I think they call it the lagoon. So yeah, you can just go there and take a bath, and there's lifeguards there, so it's safe. It's cool. It's nice. Okay, this concludes our first day here in Cairns, and yeah, on the first day I dropped the camera off the trolley, and yeah, the lens is kind of wobbly. Hi, Aline. Hi. Anyway, see ya. Love the shirts. Love the shirts. Okay, I was wrong. I said that we're on our way home, but we passed by this North Market. And yeah, we're out here checking things out. I got some magnets for my sisters. And some more magnets here. So yeah, I think we'll be everywhere. So yeah, I was expecting we're gonna go home right away, but yeah, we're still here. So wrapping up today's trip. Sorry. So wrapping up today's events, we arrived here at Cairns around 9 a.m. We went to the information center to get information where we go, and then after that we went to get our accommodations, which is so good. Not really good, but anyway. After that, we had a long nap after. So when we woke up, it was already late. It was already dark, so we fairly missed most of the day. But anyway, we'll be heading to the Great Barrier Reef tomorrow, and hopefully it's gonna be a fun day. Because Thursdays and Fridays there'll be bad weather, and we don't want that. And yeah, so basically that's it. And then we're eating ice cream. Eating a lot of ice cream. So we're trying to stay away from good food because we're getting fat. And, you know, we're gonna go to the beach and beach body and everything.
Have bad food?
We're staying away from bad food. That's what I'm saying. Oh, good food. Oh, whatever. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, as I was saying, we were planning to head home, and then we came across the night markets. We just checked it out, and we got some ice cream again. Okay. Also, one thing I've said earlier, the camera fell off from the trolley while we were in Coles, and yeah, it hit the ground, and the head, the lens just kind of, the zoom part in the 12 and 13 is like dodgy, like there's something wrong with the gears there, but all the way it's still good, and yeah, it's still the first day, and the camera's like, okay, shit, messed up. Everything should be good. So tomorrow, see you then. Bye.